Hi guys, this is a quick demonstration to show you how to merge a pull request from feature branch to master branch, and when it's a conflict, how do you deal with the conflict and resolve it. Okay, so I thought I'll just show you the way I do it. Maybe it'll help you. We'll start from scratch and create a branch. Okay, and then we'll try to simulate other developers making changes to a different branch to the same file and see conflicts. Uh, and since profile is the most confusing one, I'll make changes to the profiles in both the branches and then so I have right now what I have here is a master branch checked out. So this is like we're creating a feature branch from master branch. Okay, so developer one is creating a feature branch from master. Now let me switch back to master, and I'm going to create a couple of more branches. Developer 2 from Jira. Okay, so the plan is to make some changes in the developer 1 branch. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to update all the profiles in this branch. Okay, so let's say developer 1 was asked to make changes to all the profiles. Okay, meanwhile developer 2, which right now he's also cut the branch from master, was also asked to make changes to all the profiles. So we know that it's gone in conflict. So I'm switching to developer 1 for now. Okay, and let me open this in Sublime. Okay, in source profiles. Okay. This is not a real permission. This is just for the demonstration. Okay, so the developer 1, what he does is he adds this user permission to the end of the file to all the profiles. Find in files. Okay, find in files and find replace. So replace 41 occurrences equals 41 files. So that's going to replace all the 41 profiles. Replace. Right. We're still doing it. And file, save all. Okay. Now let's do this. Git status. Okay. Now you see that all the profiles were changed. Right. Okay. Let's see what happened at the end. That's good. Now, so what you do is the developer 1 goes in and add all this to this. Check it. Merge conflict. 43 files changed. So developer 1 is done with the changes, right? Check out feature /developer 2. Let me close all this. So the files now got reverted since I switched to developer 2, right? So you don't see that permission anymore. Okay. Instead of merge profile, what he did was he added a permission called no merge profile. Okay. Let's replace all this. 41. Okay, replace. Save all. Now if you check the git status here, you can see all those. So it is right. So this branch is now pushed to server. Let's see. Server. Developer 2, right? And let's also push the other branch. Let's check out feature /developer 1. Okay. So we've pushed. So developer 1 pushed a change. Developer 2 also pushed a change. Developer 3 has not done anything yet. Okay. So developer 1, developer 2 pushed 1 minute ago. Developer 3 changes. Okay. developer 3 changes. So it did change to 2 classes. I'm gonna make a change to another trigger. Okay, here, developer 3. Okay. So if you look at the status now, 3 files have changed. Commit -am developer 3 changes to class and trigger. Okay. We'll be focusing only on the conflict on the pull request. So developer 1 did a pull request, right? So here he goes here, create a pull. Okay, I want to change. I want to merge developer 1 to master. Okay. So here, if you look at it, it shows all the profile changes. So I want to create a pull request to master. Okay. So demo description, demo merge conflict from developer 1. Since I'm the only one who create all the pull requests, I'm just adding this in the description. Reviewer is anyone. I'm not adding anyone here. Create. Okay. Create a pull request, right? Is able to see that, okay, so if I merge this profile to master, this is what is going to get added. Commit as, this is the only commit that he made. Okay, that's good. So good. So what I'm doing is, so the reviewer goes and merge it and merge. Okay. Developer 2 comes in, okay, and he creates a pull request. Remember, we made the changes to the same line in both the profiles, right? Continue. 2 changes, create. It's all conflicted right now, see? So what this says is, if you merge this diff to master, there will be a conflict. So the tool wants you to resolve these conflicts before you can merge it. Okay. So how do you merge? How do you resolve this conflict? So one way is to like do everything manually. Like you check out master, you can manually merge this their branch to master branch. But typically, so most of the developers don't have access to master branch. So you cannot resolve the conflicts in master branch. So what you have to do is you have to pull the master branch to your feature branch and resolve the conflict, which should be the same thing, like the arrow will be the other way. So let me show you that. So when I go to this developer 2, git checkout features / developer 2, right? So git status is clean now, there's nothing there. So what I need to do is git merge master here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm pulling master into the developer 2 branch. Why? Because I want all the changes from developer 1. I git checkout master, git pull. Okay, so now we got all those changes to master. Okay, now I say git checkout feature / develop 2. Okay, and say git merge master here. Okay, so what happens is you get all the same conflicts here too, right? So right now it's saying, okay, it's in the merging state. Okay, so if you're using source tree, I mean, I just showed this in source tree, since most of you are all using source tree, you'll see that most of these files are in staged areas, all these conflicted files, right? So if you go and click on the admin profile, you'll see that, okay, there is a change here and there's another change in the same line which says now merge profile. You need to tell me what do you want to keep, right? So I'll go here, resolve conflicts, launch external merge tool. Now I need to tell which change should I keep. Okay, so there is one side, there's a no merge profile from developer profile. Okay, so for this demonstration I'm just keeping left. Okay, and then file, save merge, and then quit file merge. Okay, so that is resolved, so that's gone. Now if you are sure that you're going to do the same thing for all the profile, there's an easy way to do that. Okay, I could select everything and say resolve conflict using mine. So I want to keep mine. Okay, so working copy. So this is a merge conflicts, like what are the conflict files? Okay, so I've manually merged all these files here. Okay, and now what you do is commit. Okay, you need to commit that. Okay, because now you merged it, and that's a merge commit. So since I had that push changes checkbox checked, it'll be a push to server as well. Now let's see, git status. This is clean now. Profiles and profile. So now merge profile, right? So let's go to the other one. Now merge profile. So we kept that change in all the files. Now if we go to the pull request, it looks much cleaner now, right? So you can see that